Okay, ito naman tayo. This place look a little eerie. Grab supplies. Okay, tara na. Explore the dinner. Where are you, baby? Kailangan okay, I'm lagging. Turn up niyo yung radio. Explore the dinner. I should check the due to short stopping and some other incident, the dinner hasn't been cleaned in a while. Please start by cleaning the trash of the tables and counter. There's also quite a bit estimate needing cleanup on the kitchen under no serious circumstance. Should any photos or videos be taken that day? It's okay now, bro. Wala pa kami. We don't need that. Ang tagal. Okay. Toilet. Tingnan naman yan sila dyan ba? The client wants to me by cleaning up the tables. Okay. It's kinda easy, motherfucker bitch. Okay, ilan daw natin. Tumulong kayo, be. Maglilinis pa tayo. Puro cleaning solution to, ah. Okay, it's kinda...
Wala naman ako matira.
Tagal mo eh. Something about this place just seems... Breathe! It gives me the peace. Bugin na kita. I should clean up the bathroom next. Kikiclean daw natin yung bathroom. Dilinisin natin to. Bimbango naman yan sila eh. I don't know. Ganito lang yun. Did you see that? But it's okay now, bro. Let's close the door. Okay, you have to go down for free. Hungry, follow me. What's next? Oh, diba police naman? What's on mo? The police are. What the? Hear from the officer outside. Hey, officer, it's everything over. Pili mo muna kasi close. Bakit kausapin? Actually, I need to ask you the same thing.
Ano sinasarado nyo?
Passing recently, quite a few people around this town, they may be going missing. I didn't know about the Packer bitch. She has been really worried about it. It's been waiting to patrol the city at night to hurt and figure me out what's happening. We believe that missing people are dead but may haven't found any bodies yet. The victims all had one.
I didn't need butterfly. Yes sir, nambibembang yun. Bubugin ko. Wala daw. Ito na lang yung ano. Ito na lang, ito pala. Then officer about producing. I'm sure. Okay. Alright. Well, if you see anything, give me a call. Understand? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Below the pastor we put into this. The rest people that will get hurt in the process. Anyways, I let you get back to work now. Okay?
Goodbye, Madam Hacker, bitch.
Bahala ka din, di ba pagbulong mo sa... Kulit nito! Sasapakin na kita. Well, I guess you're back to work.
Sing your song, just for me and
Pwede naman tayo.
What music seen by Mystery Midi?
Sana mamatay sa
Ililinis ko na agad eh.
di ako patay.
Sira pa Celeste.
Sino patay?
Bye-bye. Iwan ko na kayo. Pangin ko muna pa yung garbage bag.
Lagi kasi sa akin si Bibi nasunod.
Bakit na ibang
Sa CRB. Sa CR ka. Oy, ako dito. Ito si sarap sapak-sapakin.
Uy, tara na. Tagal ninyo. Ako na lang. Bakla naman kayo.
Si Kuya kasi.
Kita niyo yung malas ko yung
Bukol ko.
Huwag kayo din dyan dito. Don't daw. Hindi yan dito. Ibig sabihin yan, hindi yan dito.
Lustig.
Tanga, takbo. Sabi sakto eh.
Ako na dito. Naka-escape ako.
Ako din. I died, bro.
Sabi na nga ba sa iyo eh.
Ay, hindi ako namatay.
Kaya
After had getting home that night, it wasn't really sure want to make up that hot.
I know.
Manood ka lang. I decided to do some research into the death of the principal. The officer had mentioned they all had mentioned some demon-like monsters stalking them before they mysteriously died. Kaya namatay na po si Nicole Dance at di sila survive.
Sino namatay?
Bibi. It sounded very similar to the thing I had been chased by that night.
Ay, buhay pa si Nano.
Naglib kasi, no, kung ano pinipindot.
Yun.
It say the demon will continue to stalk its people until it finally kills them.
Di ako na din, Josh.
Bakla ko rin eh. Tapusin natin to. Si Bibi nga, hindi natapos namin, Javi. The only way to cause
Game na ako.
is to successfully perform and survive the ritual.
The ritual. Survive.
Okay. So, fuck Bob's cleaning. I'm supposed to clean a trailer today. Apparently, the person who live in it dead or something. That. Grab supplies from the van. Uy, iba naman to. Saan naman to? Enter the trailer. Saan to kaya? Wala ba? Ang layo. Paano kaya tayo makakatakbo na ba? Ano ba? Lalo na pag may multo. Ano to, bahay naman? What the fuck? This place is disgusting. Yeah, bro. You're right. Ang inaan mo nga. It'll take too long to sprint out. Sabi ko na. Tagal naman nito. Please now, okay, this now. Maglolo ka dyan, Bo. Grab the candle. Ba't sa akin yung grab the candle?
Wala daw dyan.
Di.
Wala mo dito. Wala daw.
Bala ka dyan, Bo.
Si Coco.
Bro. Takbo, Bo. Ilang yung mga survive? Sige, habulan tayo dito. Pang ino mo, tara. 45 segundo. Pag hinahabol mo, takbo. Survive yan until the ritual ends. Na-stuck siya, Bu. Kung gagalaw, Bu. Na-stuck siya, Bu. Na-stuck siya. Kaya na-stuck. Ang ina mo kasi galawan ng galaw, boy. We need to 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go. We survive. I think I complete it. Complete. I need to get out of this area now. Let's go. I think we survived. Bob's cleaning. Get the fuck out of here now, motherfucker, bitch.
Paw Patrol. Pang summer yan, ma?
2 weeks later. Ano ba yan? Ang tagal naman. May 2 weeks later pa.
Ako, ma.
Wala pa din pala dito.
After that night, I never saw the demon
Hindi
again.
ko sabay chinek up.
Ha?
Hindi ko sabay.
Nawala yun sa kanya?
Although the reported of missing people had stopped, the ones that were already missing never seen or heard from again.
Ewan ko password yun.
Oh. Ang baby, oh.
Mabuksan ko.
Tapos sapatos, no?
I never told anyone about the ritual or what happened that night. Ibo, bubugin kita, bu!
Yung sa amin yung...
Wag na, tanga. I still work for Bobby cleaning and cleansing away the night shift, saving for more normal.
Nakalit na ako.
Hindi yan, matatapos na rin yan sa inyong ending. Whatever that thing was, putang ina, tigilin nyo na to, sobrang tagal! Hindi na magsasalita po, para gusto nyo, nakakapi ko ng puta. The night shift, teleporting party to the lapis. Let's go! Tapos na natin